Good morning. This is my guest bathroom. We redid it last year. We put in new floors. We painted the walls gray. This actually used to be a brown cabinet. I painted it white. So it has minimal decorations. Every time I think of a seashelling idea, I add it. Like I have this nice big clam bowl with the extra washcloths, bottle of shells, and so my latest idea was these are the 2 jars of shells from Captiva, and they're just kind of big, and there's not much counter space. So I have this crate. This is from ordering oranges from Florida for my husband one year, and it's just been sitting in the garage collecting dust. It's actually a nice crate. Gregory's Sanibel. It's like an orange place. And so my idea was just to stick it in this corner, and then I am going to kind of use it as a toilet paper holder. So to just store extra toilet paper. So if I have a guest and they run out of toilet paper, instead of reaching underneath the sink, there's toilet paper right there. So just this little jar right there, a couple rows of toilet paper right there. I don't know, maybe not the best idea, but I don't know, I like it, it works. And yeah, just these 2 nice jars, making use of that crate. There's the guest toilet, and then this is my favorite idea that I have done so far. This is just an old spice rack. I painted it white, and these were the spice jars. Just filled them with different shells, like this has shark's teeth, spirals, worms. This one is olives, coral. Oh, this one's like little rocks, shiny rocks. And it's just my favorite upcycling idea that I have done so far. And yeah, this bathroom is definitely a work in progress. There's really not much on the walls, but it's just a guest bathroom. It doesn't have to be cluttered like crazy. So just a couple things here and there. And so this is how I am displaying my latest shells from Captiva. I like it. Doesn't really get into the way of everything and just puts to use an old crate. So yeah, that is one of my shelling ideas, and this is my guest bathroom.